So in this video, I'm going to show you free newsletter plugin for WordPress. I'm going to show you the best free plugin which you could use on your website. And guys, before I begin, I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, as you could see currently right now, I'm in my WordPress dashboard and I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. I have a 20% discount. The link is down below. Go and check it out. The best of the best. So now the best free newsletter plugin for WordPress is, all you have to do is click on add new and just type Sumo. Okay, so once you click Sumo, install the Sumo boost conversion and sales. Install now. So once you install this, click on activate. Once it's activated, all you have to do is on the left hand side click on Sumo, okay, and then just connect and then just log in with your Google ID. So once you're logged in, all you have to do is just click on dashboard. Once this is done, then just click on my apps. So this will open the Sumo site, and then all you have to do is you just need to create a form. So you can just turn on so forms. So this is the form right now, so it says active. You can just create a new form. You can just click on edit and then visibility. Rather than smart mode, you can select manual mode. So first thing is my goal. So what is your goal? Add call to action, collect emails, collect info with custom code, so you can do whatever you want. For me right now is join our newsletter. Form type, is it a scroll box? It's inline, so it's pop-up. You can choose the design. So the free one you can use this, but the more advanced ones is paid. Now visibility, manual mode one, so you can decide when can a visitor see or time, or if user leaves. And then display rules, and then you can success, what would be a success, and then you can collect. You can use MailChimp or Weber. So I have a 20% discount for our Weber. It's on my website. So if you go over here, they give you a 1 month free trial, so you can connect your email responder. So once someone subscribes over here, then you can automatically send him emails. So if you just click on resources, yavarkhan.com resources, click on our Weber, you get a 1 month free trial. Once that's done, you can connect to email service and then update. Once this is done, it's active. I'll just open my website right now. So guys, as you could see over here, this is how the newsletter plugin works, and this is how it looks on your website. The only thing is it has powered by Sumo. So because it's free plugin and you can use it, but then no one would notice this. It's really good. So in the beginning you can use this, and later then if you have the money, then you can use the Bloom plugin which I use on my website. So if I go over here and then just click on any of these things, so you can see the Bloom plugin which is on the right, and then even over here. So in the beginning I used to use this Sumo, and then you can later do it. And I hope you really like the video guys, and if you would like to learn about how you could drive free traffic to your WordPress website, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And Yavar Khan signing off.